Hello students, welcome to computer class. Today we will learn about how to modify table in LibreOffice Writer. Modify here, we will just insert rows and columns and delete rows and column. Okay. So as we have already learned how to create table in the previous video, right? So I have already created a table, just last column I have left to show you that how we can easily enter data into the table. Already I have shown you how to type in the table. So here I'll show you how to come down in next cell. For example, here I want to enter 71. When I want to come down in next cell, I'll not click my mouse button again and again in the next cell. What I'll do, from the keyboard, as you can see here, arrow keys, I'll use it. Now here, this is a down arrow, up arrow, right side arrow and left side arrow. So I want to come down, so I'll click here. Okay, I'll click here and see the arrow is on next cell, right? So this way I'll use arrow key to enter data easily. So 80 and again click on down arrow, 82. So this way easily you can enter the data using the keyboard only. So now I have created the table. This is what I want, but now I want one more column here. So how to insert a column? Now see, when I am coming here, my arrow is coming here, it is changing the shape. When your arrow becomes like this, just click mouse button, left mouse button, and your column will be selected, right? Then right click your mouse button, again we'll do the same, then right click and then come on column. We want to add one more column now, that's why we will click on column. So come down, we want to insert a column, so click on insert. Now here, how many columns you want to add on? I want one more column, so I have clicked here 1. If you want to increase, click on upper arrow. If you want to decrease, you will click on lower arrow. Now I want one more column here after this column, after science column, right? So I will click on after. If I want a column before this column, this science column, I will click on before. Okay, so I want after this column, so I will click on after and click on OK. One more column is added, right? Same way, now if I want to add one more row, I'll click here, wait for the arrow to become like this shape, and if I'm going, see how arrow is changing the shape. When you are coming here and your arrow has become like this, then you click, then your row will be selected. When the row is selected, right click. Now we want to add a row, so click on row, click on insert. One more row I want. Okay, this time I want to increase my rows. I want 4 rows. 4 rows after this row where Paras is written, right? So after this row I want 4 rows, so I will click on after and then OK. Okay, both the times we have added a row or column after. Okay, this time let us use before. Right click, click on row and click on insert. Let us see. Okay, this time I'll add one more row before this selected row. Okay, so click on before and click on OK. Yes, it's working, right? So this way you can add on, insert row and columns. Okay, now if you want to delete a column or a row, how you will do it? See, when your arrow becomes like this, filled arrow, okay, click it, column is selected, right click. Now this is a column, this is a column, so click on column and click on delete. We want to delete it, so click on delete. Delete it, right? So I want to delete this row, selected, right mouse click. Now this is a row, click on delete. Same we can do with these 4 rows. So this is how we delete and insert rows and column in a table once we have created. Okay. So this is all about today's lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day and keep learning.